What are the ABCD buttons on a remote used for?
Hey there! Welcome to today's video, where we'll be discussing the ABCD buttons on a remote control and their functions. Remote controls have become an essential part of our daily lives, allowing us to conveniently operate various electronic devices from a distance. So, let's dive in and explore what these ABCD buttons are all about.
What are the ABCD buttons?
The ABCD buttons on a remote control are a set of buttons usually located in a prominent position on the remote. These buttons are labeled with the letters A, B, C, and D, and their specific functions may vary depending on the device and remote model. These buttons are often associated with additional features or functionalities beyond the standard buttons like power, volume, and channel control.
Common functions of the ABCD buttons.
At audio or aspect ratio, the A button on a remote control is commonly used to control audio settings or adjust the aspect ratio of the displayed content. Pressing the A button may allow you to cycle through different audio modes, such as stereo, surround sound, or various language options. In the case of adjusting the aspect ratio, pressing the A button can help you switch between different screen display formats, like 4:3 or 16:9. B. Browser or blue button. The B button is often associated with browsing functions or activating specific features on devices such as smart TVs. It may open a built-in web browser, enabling you to access internet-based content directly from your television. Additionally, the B button might serve as a shortcut to a particular function or activate a blue function indicated by a blue-colored button. C. Closed captions or color buttons. The C button commonly relates to closed captioning or color-related settings on your device. Pressing the C button can enable or disable closed captions on your television screen, providing subtitles for the content you're watching. Moreover, the C button might also function as a shortcut to color settings, allowing you to adjust aspects like brightness, contrast, and color saturation. D. Display or direct access. Lastly, the D button typically corresponds to the display or direct access functions. By pressing the D button, you can often view additional information about the content being played, such as the current time, program details, or media playback information. In some cases, the D button might serve as a shortcut for direct access to specific features or channels. And there you have it. The ABCD buttons on a remote control serve various functions depending on the device and remote model. The A button is commonly associated with audio or aspect ratio adjustments, while the B button often relates to browsing or activating specific features. The C button is frequently used for closed captions or color settings, and the D button provides additional display information or direct access shortcuts. Next time you're using a remote control, make sure to give these ABCD buttons a try and explore their functionalities. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative content. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.